Hello everyone! Good, ano na bang oras? Yeah, it's already good evening here from Calgary. This is Mompreneur Banji Mendoza from Calgary. This is the owner of this business page, Banji Mendoza. I'm living here in Calgary, Alberta. So, this is our 5th day of Go Live Challenge. And today, the topic is for what are our stress reliever. So, before I start in this business, ang mostly talaga ang aking there is a different level of stress, right? So, first, yung mga depends yung mild stress or ang ano ko lang is yung anak ko, si Bunso, while I'm stressed. So, ang ano ko lang siya kanya, yung makipaglaro sa kanya, yung think na yung lalambingin ako. So, yun po ang nakakaano din minsan na we have yung love ng mga anak natin. So, minsan nakakawala din yan. Kumbaga, nababawasan yung stress ko. And then, and also, lalo na pag when I was working also, of course sa work. So, if I feel stressed also, yung mga halaman ko dito, yon isa din yan sa aking mga stress reliever. Kinakausap ko yung mga halaman ko, isa tinatanggalan ng mga dahon ng mga laya-laya, or minsan dinidiligan ko. So, chine-check ko sila, tapos kinakausap ko. Parang nakaka-relieve din ng stress. And also, yun, talking to my family also, let's say, yung sa anak ko or sa husband ko na minsan pag na-stress ako, yung nilalabas ko, hindi ko yung dinidibdib, kumbaga, nilalabas ko yung nasa loob ko yung stress ko para hindi man naman tayo masyadong affected, right? So, or minsan then I go for a walk to have fresh air. Pag ako ay stress na, kumbaga, I just wanna walk. Just go walk around the blocks and have fresh air, or so yun lang po ang ko mostly. Nung anak ko, sa stress reliever, si Bunso, minsan kinakantahan ako, magipaglaro sa kanya, yung mga halaman ko, and also talking to my family para mailabas natin yung mga yung stress tayo tapos para mababawasan siya. Hindi lang yun So, kung talagang another part of stress na talagang ang inaano ko lang, let's say, have I said also pray. So, isa din yan sa aking pag I'm also na talagang stressful na ako na in the second level na siya. So, I pray to God. So, that's all I did. I'm just close my eyes and pray for it. Kahit saan ako. So, ipagpaano ko lang, God, whatever it is, kung kayo na pong bahala. So, yun po ang sa akin na if I so much stress na, so ipagkaloob ko lang kay God na mababawasan or kung ano yung magiging solusyon noon. So, yun po ang ko lang. I pray for it. And also, when I start also, hello, Evelyn. Thank you for watching. And also, yes, take a deep breath and just go for a walk. So, yun po ang ko, pag ako'y stress na, when it comes to our families or something na stressful ako, or when it comes to my business and my digital business, so I don't want also stress out dahil itong social media is toxic. Like, pero talagang merong negative feedback. Of course, meron din positive feedback. So, it's social media. So, when it comes to my business, in my advertisings, to those who are my clients, my business business inquiries, to my digital business, if they do something like, you are a scam, you just, nangluloko ka lang, or ano, pinipirahan mo lang yung mga tao. So, I don't wanna involve for that kind of persons dahil hindi rin natin alam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan natin, right? So, we have to be positive. So, ang gawin ko lang dyan, if they do like something, so I don't wanna involve, I don't wanna yung ma-stress dahil lang dyan sa mga taong na nagsasabi ng negative. So, what I'm just, escape that one, ina ko lang sila, move for done, or kung talagang may marami na silang sinasabi or talagang ano na. So, ban and block ako. Yun ang ginagawa ko sa aking mga nag-i-inquire if they do like saying something na talagang below the belt na scammer ka or whatever, na nangpipera ka. So, if you're not interested for this business, na hindi ko rin, baka na-scam din sila dati because alam natin ay social media. So, this business, digital business is running through online. So, hindi natin alam yung pinagdadaanan din ng iba, nung mga nag-i-inquire din or talagang nakita yung ads ko and then nag-bad comment sila. So, ayaw kong malalo silang ma-stress at ako din. So, ang gagawin ko lang dyan is ban and block, or sometimes ano ko lang sila, tatanggalin ko lang doon sa aking message, just remove from done. So, if they're messaging me again about like something na below the belt, whatever, so ginagawa ko lang ay ban and block. So, that's it. Para hindi ako ma-stress sa aking business. So, I don't wanna work also that kind of people na talagang maraming, kumbaga, ang daming problema o dinadaanan kasi ako rin maapektuhan. So, ang ano ko lang, pinofocus ko ay doon sa mga positive people na who wants really working, who wants to work for me, and who wants to do the business with me, to work with me for this business. So, I'm just focus my energy, so I don't want to stress for these people. So, of course, while we are working in social media, syempre, we can choose who want to work with, para po, kasi, ano na yan we are business partner, we are mentor each other, so, talagang magbe-mentor tayo about sa business. So, we can choose sino man yung gusto nating makatrabaho dahil dito ay lifetime na to, kung sino man yung gustong mag-start din sa business like this. So, ang ginagawa ko lang, just share lang din this business to those who are looking for extra and looking for a side hustle like me as a mom. Just looking before 2 years ago, just a side hustle. So, I don't want to be magiging negative din dahil ang mini-message sa akin ay kung ano-anong sinasabing negative. So, I don't want to send them negative feedback also. So, ang ginagawa ko lang yan is escape ko lang sila. Hindi ko yan nire-replyan. So, I don't want to get involved to those who are napaka-negative when it comes to social media. So, I'm just kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan kasi nito, we are hindi natin alam kung anong pinagdadaanan nila, kung anong maging problema nila. So, I don't wanna get involved. So, escape lang sila. Kung talagang yun po ang ano natin sa social media. So, we have to focus ourselves to those who are positive. Of course, hindi kasama yan sa business natin. Yung mga negative people din na hindi natin pinagdaanan nila at yung positive. So, i-escape lang natin our ban and block. So, yun lang po ang ginagawa ko. So, guys, dahil alam naman natin na toxic yun nga social media. So, I don't want to get more stressful. Okay? So, yun po ang inaano ko is more thing is we can choose whose people we want to work with. So, kahit po ay hindi maiiwasan yan, may mga negative feedback or may mga positive or any feedback na in our different kinds of people na we encounter in social media. So, So talagang we can encounter any iba-ibang ugali ng tao. So yes, lang natin yan, i-escape na lang natin, pero meron talaga iba, pinipersonal. So, pag pinipersonal na tayo dyan, na hindi naman tayo kilala at hindi naman nila alam yung business na ginagawa natin, they will know about it because tayo nakakaalam dito sa business natin. We know what's inside, we know what's all about this one. If they are saying that na negative, think about it, so just escape. Pero kung below talaga pinipersonal na, so ban and block lang ang what I'm did for this business. Ban and block, so that's it. So next to my client, so ang lang natin, be positive. So and then kung meron man tayong of course the more yung talagang different level of stress na hindi just pray for it. Just pray for God na any na talagang mababawasan yon, or di kaya masosolbahan o kung ano mang mga maging problema or mga stress na dumating sa ating buhay, because it's a part of our life na magiging magiging stronger. So yan po yan po ang ko for when it come to business. So ban and block sa mga negative or whatever. So, yun po ang ginagawa ko when it comes to my personal, our family. So, I have to, ilabas ko lang siya. Ilabas ko lang, ayaw kong dibdibin. When it comes to family, stress, family stress. So, sasabihin ko lang sa asawa ko or ilabas ko lang siya para hindi talagang magiging problema. Dahil ayaw ko rin naman tayong tumanda. Diba? So, than our age. So, of course, yun po ang mostly na ginagawa natin, or you have to talk some people na sometimes na gusto nating mailabas yung stress natin. Yun po ang ginagawa ko na we have to talk to friends or families, my husband, na para mailabas din natin yan, yung mga stress natin. Okay? So, I think, and by the way, before ako mag-live, so, God bless everyone. So, nakapagsimba na kami ni Ate Mina at saka ni Isabella at ako. Galing kami kay Sisning, my business partner. May inayos lang kami doon, of course, business talk. And also, yan, si ate hindi kasama dahil na work. Ang si tatay hindi rin sumama magsimba dahil may sakit yung masakit yung likod niya. So there is something.
Mama, this is the helicopter.
Ito yung isa yung aking stress reliever.
This is
Si aking makulit.
This is the vacuum helicopter.
Anong nangyari dyan sa mukha mo? Nagkilamos ka?
This is vacuum helicopter.
Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Ate Mina's watching. Bye for now. Over here.
Where?
Name na Ate Mina.
Click subscribe to our channel and down below.
Okay. Bye for now, everyone. And yes, we did it.
Rock and roll. Let's rock and roll,
Day
team.
1, Day 2, Day 3, Day 4, and now this is the last day of our Go Live challenge.
This is March. This is Mama's rock and roll team friends.
And then we encourage guys, so we continue for this one. So we encourage to para ma-boost yung
We
confidence
go
natin.
everywhere in Mama's
we encourage
business Carter house.
to do it twice a week na magla-live para hindi
Vacuum
naman balik dun sa
helicopter.
dati. So yeah, we encourage you guys na to those who are very shy to camera or introvert like me. So, the more we do it, so the more na talagang masasanay tayo. So, yeah, we encourage for everyone in my team, Team Rockstars, na to those who are na talagang mahiyain. So, slowly get out of your comfort zone and then talk to the people or talk to yourself how to handle in the camera, talking to the camera na para din malaman din ng iba o yung mga audience natin. So, yun po ang importante na we're talking to the camera na it looks like na we're talking to also to our client. Okay? So, yes, we do it, guys. Continuous we do it, this Go Live. So, even once a week or twice a week. Okay? Okay. Thank you for watching and God bless. Enjoy your weekend. Bye for now.